In today's video, I'll teach you how to change currency on RedBus app. So first of all, launch open RedBus application. Make sure you're logged into your account. You can see over here RedBus application has been opened. So if you want to change the currency, you'll have to go to the settings. For that, tap on this option, My Account, that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now once you do that, you'll be led to your account interface. You'll be able to find various options over here. Simply scroll down. Now right over here, you'll be able to find this section for preferences. Over here, you'll be able to see the currency that is selected right now. The currency will change according to the country that you select. So in order to change the currency, you'll have to change the country. Tap on the field of country. Right now, Cambodia is selected for me. So what you have to do is simply tap on the country of whose currency that you would like to select. Now tap on this option, confirm, that you can see on the screen. Now wait for a while. RedBus application will reload again. Now you can see over here the currency will be changed along with the country. So that is how you change currency on RedBus app. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.